Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to solve problems with negative numbers. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Which inequality is correct? Minus 15 is greater than minus 11, minus 17 is greater than 2, 3 is smaller than minus 18, or minus 21 is smaller than minus 19. Think about it. And the correct answer is D, right? Minus 21 is smaller than minus 19. If I am missing $21 to make a purchase, I have more money than if I were missing $19 to make the same purchase. Remember that negative numbers indicate absence. So minus 21 is smaller than minus 19. Which inequality is not true? Minus 11 greater than minus 12.3, minus 15 greater than minus 3.2, the modulo of minus 5 greater than 3, or the modulo or minus 18 smaller than the modulo of 1.3. Think about it. And the correct answer is B, right? By the same logic as before, minus 15 should be smaller than minus 3.2, not greater. If I'm missing $15, I have less money than if I were missing $3.20 to make a purchase. Let's go into the next one. What is the value of A? Did you find C? 3.8? 3.8 is correct. So, as you know, the modulo of a number is the distance between the number and the zero. And the distance is always a positive quantity. So the modulo of minus 5.2 will be plus 5.2. Now it's very important also to keep in mind the table of multiplication or division with negative numbers. Let me very quickly draw this table. So if I have times or division, multiplication or division, like this, one of the number is positive and the other is positive, the result is positive. Then plus times a minus, positive times a negative gives negative. Negative times a positive will also give negative, and negative multiplied or divided by another negative gives a positive result. We have A equals to, copy the minus, the modulo will give us just 5.2, and then minus 18 divided by minus 2 will give us a positive result, that is plus 9. Okay. If I exchange the places, just get 9 minus 5.2, which is 3.8, and that's the answer. Let's go into the next one. What is the value of A? Did you find D? 0? 0 is correct. A equals minus 12 minus I can add these two numbers. 3.4 plus 2 is 5.4 minus 7 plus I can add 5 and 8, so I get 13 minus 2.6. Okay, minus 12. Now let's calculate in the bracket. If I gain $5.40 but I lose $7, what is the net result? The net result is that I've lost 1.6. So minus 1.6 plus 13 minus 2.6 minus 12. Minus is the opposite of minus 1.6, which is a plus 1.6. This is like minus 1 times minus 1.6, which is plus 13 minus 2.6. And now 13 minus 12 is 1 plus 1.6 minus 2.6. I can add 1 and 1.6. I get 2.6 minus 2.6, which equals to 0, and that's the answer. If x divided by minus 2 equals minus 8, what is the value of 5 minus x? Did you find D? Minus 11? Minus 11 is correct. X over minus 2 equals minus 8. The minus 2 goes on the other side with multiplication. So x equals minus 8 times minus 2, which is plus 16. Minus times minus gives a plus. And therefore 5 minus x is 5 minus 16, which is minus 11. And that's the answer. What is the value of the expression? Did you find A? 200? 200 is correct. A equals, let me copy the expression. Let me first copy it. Minus 9.6 divided by 2 minus 5.2. I can write this division here as a fraction. So in the denominator I'll get 0.2 minus 0.25. I calculate minus 9.6 divided by 2 is minus 4.8 minus 5.2 over minus 0.05. So minus 4.8 minus 5.2 is minus 10 over minus 0.05. Minus divided by minus gives a plus, and therefore this is going to be the same as 10 over 0.05, which is, I expand by 100, 1000 over 5, which is 200, and that's the answer. What is the value of the expression? Minus 17 plus 16 times 3 minus 15 divided by minus 3. Did you find C? 36? 36 is correct. A equals minus 17 plus 16 times 3, 48. Minus 15 divided by minus 3 is plus 5. Plus 5. So I can add 48 plus 5 is 53 minus 17, which is 36. And that's the answer. What is the value of the expression? Minus 4 times minus 1.5 minus 5 times the modulo of minus 3. Did you find D, minus 9? Minus 9 is correct. A equals minus 4 times minus 1.5 minus 5 times the modulo of minus 3. Minus times minus gives a plus, so this is 6 minus 5 times 3. The modulo of minus 3 is 3, so this is 6 minus 15, which is minus 9, and that's the answer. What is the value of the expression? Did you find C, minus 20? Minus 20 is correct. A equals 8 times minus 3, which is minus 24, because I have a positive times a negative, minus 2 divided by minus 0.5, which is the same as 1/2. So now I get minus 24 minus 2 times the reciprocal, minus 2, okay? And minus times minus gives a plus, so the result is going to be minus 24 plus 4, which is minus 20. And that's the answer. If x equals minus 3, what is the value of the expression? Did you find B, minus 21? Minus 21 is correct. A equals 5 times minus 3 divided by minus 3 minus 7. So this is 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. Minus 3 divided by minus 3 is plus 1. Negative divided by negative is positive. Minus 7. So I lost 15, I gained 1, and I lost 7. What is my net result? My net result is I've lost 21. Okay, and that's the answer. I thought of a number, I multiplied it by the modulo of minus 3 and I got the opposite of 9. What was my number? Did you find A, minus 3? Minus 3 is correct. I thought of a number x, I multiplied it times the modulo of minus 3 and I got the opposite of 9, which is minus 9. So the modulo of minus 3 is 3, so 3x equals minus 9, x equals minus 9 over 3, which is minus 3, and that's the answer. I thought of a number, I multiplied it by the modulo of minus 1.5 and I got the opposite of 12. What was my number? Did you get D, minus 8? Minus 8 is correct. So I thought of a number x, I multiplied it by the modulo of minus 1.5 and I got the opposite of 12. So again, this is positive, so 1.5x equals minus 12, x equals minus 12 divided by 1.5, which is minus 12 divided by 3/2, or minus 12 times 2/3. reduce here, this is 4, minus 4 times 2 minus 8, and that's the answer. In a coordinate system OXY, which point is symmetrical to the point 5, 2 with respect to the origin? And the answer is C, minus 5, minus 2. This is my coordinate system. This is the origin, this is the x-axis, the y-axis, and I have this point X, which is with coordinates 5, 2. So this is my point here, X, 5, 2. Now, if I want to make a symmetrical to X with respect to the origin, I just connect X to the origin, and just continue until I have the same length on both sides, okay? So this is going to be my point here, x1, let's say, and you can see that x1 will be symmetrical with respect to both coordinates, but it will be in the third quadrant. So the coordinates will be the same, only with negative signs, okay? And that's the answer, minus 5, minus 2. In a coordinate system, we are given the points A, B, okay, the bracket should be in the opposite direction, B, C, and D. What is the area of ABCD in quadratic units of measurement? Well, let's make a sketch. So this is the coordinate system again. Point A would be minus 4, minus 2. So minus 4, minus 2, this is A. B is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, this is B. C is 3, 4. And finally D is minus 4, 4. So I get just a rectangle, okay? Now this length here is from minus 4 to 3. I need to cover 4 units to get to the origin, and then another 3 units to get to the point 3. So this is 7 units. And then if I look at the other side of this rectangle, I need from minus 2 to 0, I need 2 units to get to the origin, and then another 4 units upwards to get to the point with y coordinate 4. So this is 6 units. So the area is simply 7 times 6, which is 42 quadratic units of measurements. Units to the power of 2. Alright? And that's the answer. Let's check it. That is correct. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Next time we are going to have a slightly different episode. We are going to cover the main properties of power numbers with proof to each of them. So there will be no game next episode. Next episode is going to be a little more theoretical. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.